All right, let's keep going. Let's keep going, boys. Come on. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, boys. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Come on, little one. Little one. That's the little one. I want to look up here. Oh, she flew out. So let's see how things are doing. I have pepper plants in here. And I'm trying to, the spinach has gone to bloom. I'm going to pull that up. I have some pretty zinnias over here. But you could see the spinach is going to be pulled up. Because the pepper plants is what I want. Because we eat peppers. So the spinach that's blooming will be pulled up soon. I've already got one zinnia. Love those zinnias. So that's this tub. When I look over here, I can see the tomato house. And over here, let's open this gate so they can get out. Hey, boys. Come on, boys. Go on, boys. I should have had that selfie stick. Oh, well, that thing is, I can't get used to it. I have a hard time with it. So up here was where the other nest was for the doves. It is empty now. They are grown and flew away. They're healthy. Here's some more pepper plants. I may have to take this tent cover off. And you can see the zucchini here and the other peppers. So I planted peppers here, and then where there's a couple of holes, I'll plant some tomatoes. So there's Otto. Oh, there's the little one. The peppers, they got little peppers on them, but they don't look too healthy. They haven't been out here all that long. But these are sweet peppers. And it's been real windy, so, but they're growing. This one is a jalapeno. It's got a little jalapeno. And under here, I have a watermelon. I doubt if that's going to do good. I know we live in watermelon country, but watermelons are hard for me to grow. So in here, I have the same situation. Here's the spinach blooming out. I have several huge bags of spinach still, but I started putting pepper in the tubs, in the raised beds. So spinach and lettuce doesn't grow indefinitely here, that's for sure. In this tub, I have peppers, and they haven't been out here all that long, but there's a little pepper, and there's some peppers on there, and they get plenty of sun. I keep these grapes trimmed, so that morning sun is really important. And see how they get the sun there. So I guess this bed was kind of in a bad situation because the trees have gotten so big. But here they get the morning sun, see the pepper growing, and oh my goodness, this one has a real large pepper way down low, but it's making more peppers. The sun comes pretty good in the morning sun. Here is another Anaheim pepper. So now we're going to go into the tomato garden, the tomato house. That's what we call it. So we've been picking zucchini. But that doesn't last forever either. So once they are done producing, once they start getting infested by those horrible harlequin bugs, then I pull them up. We have zucchini for about 6 weeks, and then the whole thing gets up, and I put just peppers in there because that's what grows good. So the tomatoes I planted here, they're not in the tub. They're just planted them yesterday, so they're recuperating. So inside this house, I still have a lot of young'uns. They don't look too good this morning. But these are peppers. That's a pepper, that's a pepper, and that's a couple of tomatoes. So in here I've been picking a lot of lettuce. There's not much left because I picked the outer leaves. So there's another pepper plant. But see the lettuce? And yesterday I picked a huge bag of lettuce, so we've been eating it. And there is a pepper there too. That's a regular sweet pepper. And I got some basil and another pepper. So now I take out my windows. And that's these windows. Come on, let me put my window where I normally put it. Look out, boys. That's normally where I put my window. Planted a little tree over there because I thought that was a good place. Yes, and they like fresh water. I keep a tub of water here. Let's open this gate. So this is another seating area for us. I have another, hey, Bentley. Say hi. Hi, he's a garden hound. Yes, he is a garden hound. Yes, quite a garden hound. So here's another one of the locust trees that I was really small and I put it in a pot. I dug it up. It was came from the other locust trees. Look out, garden always varies. I've been having a garden here at this location for 13 years. So you never know what you're going to get from one year to the next. God, He has a way of providing. Thank you, Lord. I don't think we're going to have any apples on this little apple tree that I cherish. And all the blossoms pretty much got frozen and fell off. So no apples from that tree this year. And the cherries the same way, frozen. And no plums. So we'll settle for nice zinnias coming up here. Boy, they're looking pretty healthy. I think in former years we've had much earlier starts. But there's not going to be any cherries or plums. So this tub has been taken over by vines. I did plant some peas up here. I feed the birds so I could see them from the window. We have these bird plates that I made. Oh, yeah, they usually are on there because I keep food on there on those bird plates. So, and I always keep water for them. We have a lot of doves. So now I'm heading back. This is our new area. We had the area before, but we added a indoor-outdoor rug and moved the bar over. So it's all kind of incorporated here, this little area. The dogs sure love it. They love it, and they have their private run where they can run through there. So that's the pool. So this area here is new. We built this pergola, slanting pergola, just earlier, and we've just kind of thrown the solar tech on because it's so hot and sunny. One of these days we might just get it all organized and have it nice. So I got some potted plants, and this grape died. I'm sure it was due to lack of water in the winter time and extreme conditions. It lived for at least 12 years and produced white grapes, but it was a bad location because it's here so close to the pool. So I'm attempting to grow some of the vines over this pergola and see what happens. But we are being overtaken by the vines. I have some going on the west side of the house too. So this is it. There's a lot of changes. Year to year, things change. Things change. But we're happy. Happy to have a home. Oh, they're happy to have a home. And the cats are happy to have a home. They're usually in the windows. Yes, and that's a little Maxo poodle. Yes, Otto. Otto, where's Bentley? Bentley go in the house? So this is our deck here, so it's really quiet. We like quiet. We like it quiet, don't we? Yes, we do. We like it quiet. You want to sit with me? All right. Sit down. Sit down. Don't get in my face. How can you get in my face like that? You're really in my face. My goodness. My goodness. Well, let's go in and have some more coffee. I can't go in through the sunroom right yet because I haven't opened it. But this is, Bob built this cover for this deck, and we put solar tech on it, and it holds up pretty good. It's been up there quite a few years. Without it, it was treacherous out here in the sun. The grapes are taking over. I'm going to have to prune them. Yes, do a lot of pruning. Stay, let me get a picture of your sweetness. Oh, you are so sweet. Oh, you are so handsome. Yes. There's Bentley. Bentley, come up here. Come up here, you monster. Where were you? Did you get lost? Come up here. You come up here. You sit down. You sit down. Oh, yes. When you have big dogs like this, they have to obey. Obey. They know how to obey. Max, are you obedient? I work on on them knowing the rules all the time. And, you know, we are in our 70s and we have three big standards. They are quite a handful, but they are great companions. And they do listen. We just got back from our hike, and I did my backwards walking with Eli and Otto. They are trained to assist me with that. It's my daily exercise. Otto, Eli. Oh, Eli is hungry. He's always so hungry. Hungry. Yes, you are hungry. You know what that is. Are you hungry? Well, you're always hungry, yes. You're always a hungry poodle. Yes, that's because you're only 2 years old. Otto, he likes to eat too. He's got a ferocious appetite. But I limit his food because I know with his age 6, I certainly don't want him getting overweight. Overweight is a big problem. And he is not overweight. He is pretty athletic, actually. And he's the boss because he's the top dog. And he lets the other dogs know it, too. I'm going to finish off. Going in to have coffee and coffee cake. See you later, alligator.